Hello friends, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place text in Photoshop. First, we go to the select menu and click on the subject. After selection, subject, we go to the layer panel and background layer, copy. Click on the marks icon, right click and select apply marks to selection. Again, go to the select menu, click on the modify to expand, radius 20. Go to the edit menu, click on the fill, select contain your fill, choose select menu and deselect. Select the text tool from the toolbar and I wrote on the Y. And select Arial and select bold. Go to the edit menu, click on the transform and adjust the text. Go to the window menu, click on the shatters, follow the setting. Right click on the text layer, select rasterize layer. Go to the edit menu, click on the transform. Right click and rotate 90 degrees. Adjust the text. Right click, select perspective. Adjust the text. Click on the FX icon. Alter key. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.